Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Green color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, black color, light green color, yellow color, dark blue color, brown color, pink color and purple color. A for apple. A. B for book. B. C for cat. C. D for dog. D. E for elephant. E. F for face. F. G for goat. G. H for hand. H. I for ice cream. I. J for jug. J. K for kite. K. L for lion. L. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. O. P for parrot. P. Q for queen. Q. R for rose. R. S for snake. S. T for tiger. T. U for umbrella. U. V for vegetable. V. W for watermelon. W. X for X-ray. X. Y for yo-yo. Y. Z for zebra. Z. Let's learn some shape. Triangle. Square. Rectangle. Heart shape. pentagon, circle, arrow, triangle, square, rectangle, heart shape, pentagon, circle, arrow,